the last time you laughed out loud? Do you like the way your life is going? Are you happy? Okay, wait, let's do this again. Feeling pressure at home? Okay, but at least you have a home. Feeling pressure in your job? Again, at least you have one. Pressure is a privilege of a few lucky ones. You are lucky. Being happy is realizing life isn't perfect. Sometimes you have to remind yourself that you don't have to do what everyone else is doing. It's easy to focus on what's wrong in our lives, what's lacking in our lives, what we don't have, what they have, what we don't have enough of. So something that can help us to feel happier, more content is none other than gratitude. That is focusing on what we do have. Gratitude helps us want what we already have or be content with what we already have. Count your blessings. While others are adding up their troubles, things are never going to be the way you want. Life is never going to be perfect. Never. My heart skips a bit when I think about that. We all want a perfect life, right? But the question is, do we all accept the fact that we can't have one? Happiness is truly choosing to take each day as it comes and deciding to look at the positive in everything instead of always seeking out the negative. Happy people know that life is hard at times, and instead becoming resentful because of it, they are grateful to even have life. Many people don't get the chance to live or their lives are cut short. Enjoy the ride and know that pressure is a privilege. Try hard to fix things that you don't like about yourself. Try to associate yourself with people that make you laugh and feel good about yourself. Do whatever you have to do so that you can look in the mirror and smile. Although having money can create stability and comfort in our lives, truly the best things in life are free. Excess is fine if it makes you happy. Even simplicity is fine if it makes you happy. Do whatever you have to do to be happy. Just remember one thing, just don't hurt other people in the process. Treat others with respect. Nothing to add here, you know what to do, and if you do it, it will make you happy. Don't ask why or how, just do it. Do good and you will immediately feel a sense of happiness. Try not to live your life alone. People need people, we are social beings and we all need interactions. Having genuine real friends in your life and good true friends make all the difference. Hug them, not sure what it is, but a hug always feels good. Just live life with no regrets. We all mess up and so many times. There is no point in regretting something that has already happened. Better to focus your energy in the future and doing things better next time. Try to remember only the good moments from the past. Leave the bad moments locked in a sealed box. Learn from them and move on. Don't keep things that bother you inside. Keeping them inside will either make you angry or sad, or make you explode when you finally get it all out at once. You will have moments when you will be unhappy, miserable, heartbroken. But time takes care of everything. No matter how bad things get, there is always calm after the storm. Enjoy the little things in life. Celebrate your achievements no matter how small they are. And stay balanced during the lows in your life. Life is too short to be anything but happy.